Welcome back, guys. It's your boy Slates, and today I'll be showing you how I managed to pass multiple prop firm challenges and continuously make multiple payouts time and time again. One of my go-to strategy involved using the DOM surface. The DOM surface is a powerful trading tool that provides visualization of the market depth for a particular financial instrument. It displays the number of buys and sell orders at various price levels, giving traders a clear picture of the supply and demand dynamics in the market. The features of the DOM surface includes heat map visualization, order book information, imbalance indicators, and also customization. Now that you understand what the DOM surface is, I am going to show you guys how I use the DOM to actually execute my trades. First and foremost, what I check for is news events. I make sure that there's no news event currently during the time period that I'm trading. Then secondly, I go on to the VIX. For you guys who don't know what the VIX is, the VIX is basically the volatility index, which measures volatility within the market. Now, a high VIX value indicates greater anticipation for volatility, while a lower VIX value indicates lower volatility within the market. What's considered to be normal in the VIX is the range 13 to 19. Value above 20 indicates higher than normal volatility. So you don't want to be trading this strategy if the VIX is in that high range. And to note, time of day is very important when trading this strategy. Time that works best for it, I would suggest using from 9:45 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. and that's New York time, guys. Market direction. You want to make sure that you confirm the market direction, and one good way of doing that is by looking at the higher time frame and coming down to the lower time frame. So I usually draw up my H4 and my H1 and all the way down to a 15-minute time frame there. This is just to confirm the direction of the trend. Now that we have confirmed and check for news events and the volatility range, the time of day, and the market direction. Once we have confirmed all of that, it's now time to open the DOM surface chart. Once we open the DOM surface chart, we're looking for areas that price suddenly move away from without grabbing liquidity, meaning the price did not spike above or below the previous structured area for moving in the opposite direction. Now we also need to bear in mind the direction of the trend, because we're always going to be trading along with the trend. Symbol for it right here, it's called the DOM surface, and on Quantower it's a DSF right here. So you just select that and you'll get this window right here. Now I don't have any special settings or anything set to it, it's just default. And what I'm doing when I'm using the DOM surface is I'm looking for the high of the range and the low of the range, and I'm waiting to see what price is doing within the range. Now it depends on the price action. Now the trend is real strong on the downside today. It's one thing when you're looking at the price on a candlestick, because you know you're seeing it moving up and down, but when you're looking at it on the DOM surface like this, you can really see every precise movement. And yeah, as you can see, the price is still within this range here, and we're just moving back and forth, up and down. I'm not so interested in making any trades whenever I see the price doing like that. You have to do a lot of observation whenever you're trading. A lot of time is spent just observing the chart, just observing the price action. So I'm just observing right now to see what's going on. So what I'm observing right now with the price is that I know that we're in a strong downtrend. That is something that I already know. Now, we also made a real strong pullback and came all the way to this level and took out this level. So this level is already sweat. This level right here that we left in place. And we're here just, moving back and forth. Then we came all the way back down. Now we still have this little level right here that more than likely, if anyone got in and rode this wave all the way up to here, this is usually where they'll be putting their stops. And the market likes to revisit these areas. So that's how I'm looking at it. So I would like to see what the market is doing if we're going to come back to revisit. Because right now, what I'm thinking is this. We went all the way up here with just one swing, whoop, And then we came back here and we're struggling to go to the top. So you know what? I'm just going to go short right here. I'm just going to punch short. And I'm going to give this price a chance to move. And the reason why I decided to go short right there is the price is struggling to go higher. Look at this swift move. So why now, once we come back down here, we're struggling to go higher? That to me means that the price is more likely to come and revisit this area right here. So I'm going to put the trade on and I'm going to just observe. As you can see, it's going against me. But I mean, what do I do in a case like this? Just run and close the trade out and get all crazy and jumpy? No, you can't do that. You gotta stay calm and allow the trade to play out. Still going against me here. But based on the struggle that I see going on here, I still think the price is likely to come and revisit this area. Well, let's see. Let's see what's going on here. We're still pushing higher. The other thing about price is you have to really observe the action of the price to see what it's doing. You know, so like with this now, just continually going up. But the only reason why I'm still holding on this is because we already swept this area. So any stops that was in place, like on these levels right here, we already took those out with this sweep right here. So we really don't have any intention or any reason really to come all the way here and take this out again, but rather we would try to leap for these here down here where a lot of the stops will be resting, who got in right here and will be trying to go higher. But I'm still observing here. I'm still in the trade, still moving. Not in the direction that I would like to see it move, but it's okay. We'll So I do have a link to my Discord in the description. Feel free to hop on in. We do share our P&L in this group right here, as also our payouts that we have received from different prop firms. Feel free to hop on in here, guys, and hopefully we can have a one-on-one conversation every now and then. Let's hop on in and let's grow together. Peace. I'm out.